So do they know we're here? Yes, they know we're here.
Oh my god, sie will kommen rein hier. Oh my god.
I have too much lens. So all we do right now is we just sit and enjoy. We did not plan this.
Oh my god, die gaat onder de boot.
Here he comes, going right underneath us.
Oh my god.
See the white? Yep. Whoa!
Oh my god.
See the white go there?
Oh shit.
That was pretty.
Oh my god.
He was laying on his side.
No.